you doing? Come on. What? Are you laughing? Are you laughing? Yeah. Yeah. Come on. It's time to get dressed. Come on. Are you smiley face? Are you laughing? Are you laughing this morning? Yeah. Well, we're gonna get you dressed, huh? So finally, with this cute little girl, I finally have found a name for her. And her name is Emma Joice. Instead of Joyce, her name is Joice, as in rejoice. Emma Joice. Emma Joice. Yeah. Yeah, you laughing? No, your laughing has stopped now. Yeah. How's your laughing stop for a minute? Yeah. Look at those junker-monkers. Look at them junky legs. Look at them junky. I'm just a junkie. And you can look at mommy. You can look at everybody. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Yeah. Yeah. So, mommy, you're getting some notifications. Some aunties are trying to contact you, mama. Yeah. Do you want your rental? No? No? Okay. No rental right now. No rental right now. Come here. Come here. Come here. You trying to sneak off the bed? No sneaking. No sneaking off that bed. No. No sneaking. I think that you actually need a bigger diapers. Don't you be rolling off that bed. Oh, mommy got that diaper for 2 seconds and you're there rolling off the bed. Come on. Come on, sweet girl. We don't want to go to the hospital today, do we? No, this diaper might be really big on you, but guess what? I think we need a big diapers on you. Because you're such a big girl. Did you leave any stinkies this morning? Did you leave mommy any stinkies? No stinkies, just pee-pee so far. Did it get you dressed? Oh. Oh. And then we're going to have some oatmeal, some cereal. There we go. There we go. Good morning, sweet pea. We're definitely a size 3 or 4. Yes, that is what you are. Because you are a big girl. You are a big girl. Yeah, using them knees to crawl everywhere. Okay. Now you can crawl for a second. Let me take this and tuck it in. You need your diaper going all the way up your back, huh? No. No, we don't. I got this cute little poo romper. I don't remember where I got it. I might have got it at the thrift store. And for a minute I was going to sell it, and then I realized that I was going to be getting this sweet girl, my Emma Joice. She's like, no, come on, come on. I know you don't want to. She's like, you can't hook my leg in there, Mommy. No, no. She might actually be too big for this. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mommy. Whee! Hi. Hello. Hello. I don't know if it's going to come over your butt or not. If it's going to even come over your legs or not. Yeah. So cute. You are just so cute. You are just so cute. Come here. Come here. Okay. Is your sister sassing, Mama? Is she sassing? Is she using her language to sass, Mommy? I hope not. And you better not grow up to learn her little tricks. Or you be in trouble too, Missy. Yeah. Say, Mommy, I don't want to be in trouble. I'm a good girl, Mama. Yes, I am. I'm a good girl. No, I'm a good girl. Yes, you are a good girl, but sometimes you can be sassing your Mama. No. Thank you, Charlotte. It's okay. Okay. Hi, you little chunk monk. Say, little. Where is little in this little girl? There's no little in her. There is no little. No. There is no little. Okay, now let's try this again. Now that you have your little undershirt. Now that you got your little undershirt going on. Come here, sweet girl. Come here, my Emma. Are you Mommy's Emma? Is that your name? Is that your name? Emma? Mommy loves that name. Emma. You look like an Emma. Yes, you do. There we go. They're looking so much better. Looking so much better. There we go. There we go. You and your little Pooh Bear. Okay. Aren't you so cute? You are just so cute. Yes, you are. Look at you. Hold on, not yet. Not yet. I know you want to get up and crawl around. I know you want to get up. Yeah, I know you do. Let's put your little headband on. And then we have some red shoes, aunties, that are going to match this outfit perfectly. Yes. Got some red shoes. And now she's ready to go have breakfast. And then she's going to go play after that. Okay. Don't you grow anymore. These barely fit you. Mommy just bought them. Mama just bought them. Don't you grow anymore. Okay, Mama's got your other shoe. Let's see if this is going to go on. Oh, wait. Mommy does not know what shoe to put on what foot. Mommy doesn't know what shoe to put on what foot. Yeah. Come on. Come on, chunker munkers. There we go. There you go. What you doing? You're gonna eat your foot. You're gonna eat your shoe. You're gonna eat your shoe. No eating that shoe. Look at them thighs. Look at them little. Look at them big thighs. Look at them big thighs. Yeah. I am completely smitten and in love with this little Emma girl. Okay. So there she is. Now sit up now. Go sit up. Go sit up. Put the pillow behind your back. See if you can sit up like a big girl. Yeah. Okay, here she is. Aww. This fits her perfect. And then her little red shoes. Her cute red shoes with the little bows on the side to match. Hi, Emma. Hi, Emma. You're so cute. Look at that face. Look at that face. Yeah. What you doing? What you doing? I think she wants to play, y'all. I think she's hungry and she wants to play. So thank you so much for watching. Talk soon. Bye, guys.